Okay, this is Ken from Top machine. Today I'll introduce you how to adjust the color press machine to press the color for the perfume bottle. So first, put the color on the spray head like this, and putting in the color head. Okay, and push it lightly. Okay, until the bottle don't move anymore. Then adjust those two position holder to fix the position of the bottle. Okay, let's fix it tight. Okay, so it's not remove anymore. Okay, then if you want, you see this is not good, so we need to adjust position. So let's move a little bit. Okay. Let's move a little bit and fix the screw here. Okay. Okay, this is correct position, right? So you press it here to check if it could to push until the color reach to the bottleneck. Okay, so this could working. So if it's not reach this position, you need to adjust the color head here. So just adjust the screw at the back, release this one, and move the color head moving up or moving down. So it's easy to adjust. Okay, let's try. Pull the bottle, simply press it. Okay, let's check. Okay, thank you.